In the meantime, tourism stakeholders are downplaying concerns over the latest travel advisory issued by the United States for Jamaica. Jamaica has been placed at level 3, with the State Department urging visitors to reconsider traveling to the country due to a spate of crime. More in this report.
The advisory issued on May 10 by the U.S. State Department says violent crimes such as home invasions, armed robberies, sexual assaults, and homicides are common, with sexual assaults occurring frequently, including at all-inclusive resorts. It comes at a time when the Tourism Ministry has been boasting some 1.5 million visitors to the island since the start of the year. Nicola Madden-Gray is president of the Caribbean Hotel and Tourist Association.
Something that the State Department does worldwide for all destinations, so we shouldn't take it personal or anything like that. This is their standard release. We have all sorts of persons coming, diplomats. We have the regular Jew American that comes here and has a wonderful time. So I don't take it for anything.
It's not clear what impact the latest advisory will have on visitors traveling to the island. However, senior strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delano Sivrite, says Jamaica, like many other countries in the Caribbean, have issues with the wording of the advisories.
The fact is, Jamaica remains a safe and seamless destination for tourists, local and international. Crimes against tourists is about 0.01%, which is extremely low, so it's almost non-existent. But at the same time, we note their concerns. Those are concerns that, some of those concerns are concerns we share, but for the most part, we want to make it clear that Jamaica is a safe and seamless destination.
Interestingly, U.S. Secretary of the Treasury Janet Yellen reportedly vacationed in Montego Bay, St. James, days before the State Department urged its citizens to reconsider travel to the island. We put the issue to Mr. Sivrite.
I can neither confirm nor deny the presence of certain U.S. and other officials who are in Jamaica. What I can confirm is that over the last several weeks and months, we have had multiple visits by leaders. The Canadian Prime Minister was on vacation here. We have a number of U.S. officials who have been on vacation here or had been on vacation here weeks and months ago, some of which, of course, we can't name. And beyond that, we have a whole list of A-list celebrities.
Amidst the assurance from tourism stakeholders that Jamaica remains a safe destination, the country continues to grapple with crime. Currently, tourist towns like St. James and Hanover are under a state of emergency.
So while it is their purview to put those notifications in place, what we have found is that the U.S. visitors have been coming in droves, they've been having a wonderful time, and they keep coming back.
Carrie Ann Simpson for TVJ News.